another example, another change of scenario where this is the cryptocurrency market, Litecoin to US dollar, and it is in a different time frame, the intraday 15-minute time frame. But as usual, the same core ideas of identifying reliable support and resistance ranges will still be applicable. Certainly, more price ranges could be marked, but at the beginning it is useful to keep the chart clean and uncluttered, with only the most influential ranges of the past few days being marked. Though if pressure remains, there will certainly have to be new lower boundaries identified in the lower 40s. Selling pressure continues and eventually the firm 4310 range is breached, though prior to that there is the minor pause shown by these two circles. Strong bearish price action and volume, so definitely natural for no further upswings of significance on the 4310 level, but there is still the characteristic pause. It is a familiar sight as the market falls into another wide range at these new lower boundaries, and eventually there is a strong recovery where we see the strong crossing in a bullish context of major resistance levels, similar to the previous examples. Familiarity continues with a minor sideways range prior to another bullish surge. Very normal for the market to stabilize, relieve some selling pressure, allow for some profit taking from the first bullish surge. On the way back up, the earlier ranges are relevant once again, offering major resistance, and we see some classic features of reliable support and resistance price action, such as this neutral range pausing before the large breakout, and even during the initial breakout there is a very slight delay with these overlapping candles. Consistent strong green bullish price action and volume is sending the market on a near vertical climb, which does not sustain for an indefinite time, just like any other strong climb, and when resistance is reached, there are very clear downswing points that also have some increases in volume upon direct contact with the resistance range. And as the market moves away from these downswing points, there is a normal decrease in volume and trading activity in the price action. Further validation is shown, especially with the 45 range, when looking at the longer term daily time frame, where there is plenty of crossover with these resistance and support ranges. Again, a line chart with dots representing closing prices is another enhancement of simple analysis. Concentrations, especially around the 45 range, do show the greater importance of these resistance ranges in the daily and intraday timeframes.